In level 1, you learn the basics. On level 2, you learn so much more. You get the empty hand, moving, shooting around cars, unorthodox positions.
Hand-to-hand combat, engage multiple targets. When you leave level 2, you know that not only can you shoot the gun, but you can employ it in a self-defense scenario.
Get that left guy, get that left guy. Get behind cover, fix it, come on. Left knee down, right cantilever, hit that guy on the left.
I'm walking normal, but my body is turreted towards the threat.
2 on the left one. 2 knees down, hit 2 on left, 2 on those. If I come out here, I get that little extra split second.
Yeah, surprise.
Surprise.
I can't tell you how fucking proud I am of all of you.
I've done 2 level 1s with Hank and the team, and I can tell you something, this level 2 is off the chain. In the end, you'll be on the ground, firing at multiple targets. You'll be moving, engaging, standing behind cars. Everything that could happen in the real world, you will learn in this course.
I have been to Intuitive Self-Protection's level 1 courses. With level 1, you learn all the basics. You go through the big 6, you go through your stance, your trigger pull, your grip, your sight picture, sight alignment. You really get those basics down. I'm a repeat level 1 attender because I really wanted to master those basics. And here I am at level 2 now, and I'm so thankful that I did level 1 as many times as I did because it was really employed here. I was able to take all of those awesome skills that I learned at each different class and gunfight. I was actually gunfighting today. Not only do you learn the basics of weaponry with your pistol, but you're learning combatives. You may not always be able to get to your gun. You may have to fight. You may have to take cover. You may have to use your car. You may be attacked coming into your home. These are things that we have gone through.
I have been training for about 6 months, and the difference between level 1 and level 2 is application in real life. They put a program together for you to win. It is a winning mentality, and you want the next level. They're going to push you and give you all the tools that you can obtain to perform and to win a fight.
Please like, share, subscribe, follow us on Facebook, and visit us at intuitivesp.com. We'll see you on the deck.